Hello, Assalamu alaikum, all viewers and dear students. Today we are going to discuss the problem of example 15.19, page number 97 from the statistical BC box BBA book, statistical inference part 2. A confidence interval is constructed from a sample of size 25 random sample for the mean of a normal population which is sigma is 50. The limits for the interval are 110.2 and 135.8. Which confidence coefficient was used? Which confidence coefficient was used means here 1 minus alpha is required. That is called confidence coefficient. So we start the solution. First of all, we write the given data. A confidence interval is constructed from a sample of size n, random sample of size n, sample size is denoted by n, small n, and for the mean of the population which has sigma is standard deviation, that is standard deviation is equal to 50. The limits for the interval are given. The limits for the interval are given. That is 110.2 limits up to 135.8. So that is called lower limit, and this is called upper limit. How we are required the confidence coefficient. What is confidence coefficient? So we are required 1 minus alpha. Alpha is required data, that is confidence coefficient. So the required is 1 confidence coefficient, 1 minus alpha is unknown. How we calculate 1 minus alpha? So the interval are given, the confidence interval, 100% confidence interval are given, 110. So as we know that the confidence interval for population mean is x bar plus minus z alpha by 2 sigma divided by n under root. That is the confidence interval or the population mean when sigma is known and n greater than 30. Sigma is known. So now we are required the lower limit. So if we give here, limits are given 110.2 less than mu less than 135.8. So if we give the equation number first, we are comparing this equation with this confidence interval. How we calculate the value of 1 minus alpha? So first of all, we write in the form of this is lower limit minus we write x bar minus z alpha by 2 sigma n under root less than mu less than x bar plus z alpha by 2 sigma n under root. We give equation number second. Comparing equation number first and second, that is called lower limit. and here x bar minus z alpha by 2 sigma divided by n is also lower limit. Comparing equation number first and second lower and upper limits corresponding to each other. Comparing equation equations equation number first and second to get here we get x bar minus z alpha by 2 sigma n under root first value, this is lower limit 110.2. Similarly, here x bar plus z alpha by 2 sigma n under root upper limit is 135.8. Use the equation number third and fourth. Now we are look here x bar are both are positive. If we subtract to each other, subtracting equation third and fourth, we will get here both x bar minus z alpha by 2 sigma n under root is equal to 110.2 x bar plus z alpha by 2 sigma n under root is equal to 135.8. If we subtract, so sign is change also. This sign is change, here is positive, this sign is also change, here is plus, this sign is also change. So we will get here both are cancelled, minus 1 we get minus 2 z alpha by 2 sigma n under root. We check here minus, if we subtract 135.2 we subtract, the result is 25.6. Now we are dividing both sides by minus 2. Both are cancelled to each other, this will be positive and this is also positive. We get the answer is 12.8. Now we are required, sigma was known here, sigma was here 50, z alpha by 2 sigma is 50 and n under root n is equal to 25 under root is equal to 12.8. So we calculate this value z alpha by 2 50 divided by 25 under root 5. So both are cancelled here 10 12.8. Again dividing both sides by 10, z alpha by 2 is equal to 12.8 divided by 10 is equal to 1.28. So now we check 0 z alpha by 2 is positive value, z alpha by 2, this area is alpha by 2, so means that we are finding this area, the z alpha by 2 is 1.28. We check this area from the table, z alpha by 2 alpha by 2, if we are finding z alpha by 2 alpha by 0.5 minus, we check this area C in the table, C in the table, so we will get the answer here minus probability, or we can write minus probability of 0 less than z less than or equal to 1.28. We check this area in the table, so we will get the answer is 0.3997. This area, if we round this number, so we get here 0.4. approximately if we round. So alpha by 2 is equal to 0.5 minus round this number 0.4, we get 0.1. So alpha by 2 is equal to 0.1, multiplying both sides by 2. So 0.1 multiplied by 2, both are cancelled, alpha is equal to 0.2. Now we are required confidence coefficient 1 minus alpha is required. So we calculate 1 minus alpha 0.2 is equal to 0.80. So it means that we change that 80% confidence interval confidence coefficient was used. Means that we can write this is 80%, we can write. So it means that 80% confident coefficient was used. That is very important question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.